We came out just to try to help with whatever we could, as far as cleanup and just anything that they might need out here. Basically.
So what's going on now? What are you guys doing?
Right now we're just at the Crossroads Church here, just cleaning up the debris that's kind of on their property. We've got a few more people inside helping sort some of the clothes.
And what are you finding out here?
So far, a lot of just house materials. We found a few little mementos, a couple stuffed animals, some pieces of porcelain that might be valuable to some people. But mostly just a lot of lumber, a lot of shingles.
So how many people have been here today?
Hundreds. I have no idea. They've got sign-in sheets, hundreds. What people really need the most are bathrooms, coffee, and a place to sit. People are in shock. This community has been devastated by this tornado. There are hundreds of families have lost everything, and people more than anything else are just in shock. Want to come in, want to be around other people, want to have people sit with them, pray with them, offer them hot coffee.